In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule dashes in the Dasher app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to lock in the hours and the area you want to work, so you can plan your day and make the most of busy times. Scheduling is quick, and once you've set it up, your future self will thank you for not scrambling at the last minute. First, open the Dasher app, give it a moment to load so it can pull in the latest scheduling options for your market. Starting from the home screen keeps everything simple because all the scheduling tools live right inside the app, no need to jump anywhere else. Next, tap the Schedule tab. You'll usually find it along the bottom of the screen. This section is dedicated to planning ahead, and it's where you'll see the calendar of days and any available time slots. If your market is busy or competitive, this tab is your best friend because popular times can fill up fast. Now, select the day and the delivery area you want. The delivery area is the zone where you'll receive orders. Picking the one that's familiar to you can make navigating between restaurants and customers much smoother. Choose a day that matches your plans and then tap into the area you prefer to work in. If you commute or have other appointments, think about what's realistic for that day. After that, choose your start and end time, then tap Save Dash. Pick a start time that gives you a comfortable lead-in and an end time that matches how long you want to work. A well-chosen time window helps you avoid rushing and ensures you can complete deliveries without cutting it close. When you're happy with the window you've set, hit Save Dash. You should see your scheduled block appear on your list, confirming everything is locked in. Here's a helpful tip to maximize your earnings. Scheduling ahead helps you secure busy times like lunch, typically from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., or dinner, often from 4:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. These windows tend to bring more consistent orders, so reserving them early can make your shift smoother and more profitable. If your calendar fills up quickly in your market, set a habit of booking these slots as soon as they open. That's all there is to it. Open the app, head to schedule, pick your day and area, set your times, and save. With just a minute of planning, you'll be ready to dash confidently when it matters most. Thanks for watching, and happy dashing.